Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the comparative analysis of Confucianism, Daoism, and Shintoism. First, they're considered world religions, and second, they all have cultural values. What I mean is that these three religions have cultural values in their countries. Confucianism and Daoism originated in China. If you read their sacred texts, you'll see the stories of the old dynasties. In Shintoism, when you read the Nihongo, you'll see the story of the emperor and how they ruled their religion.
The next is that they all have a special place in the government. What I mean is that they all have connections related to the government. For example, in Confucianism, they have texts on how to lead a government. When you don't follow the rules, there are consequences. In Daoism, they also have their own ways of choosing a good leader for their country, and leaders' method must be according to the standard they set. In Shintoism, their emperors, whom they consider leaders, must have blessings.
The next is that they have no concept of God. As we understand in Abrahamic religions, they don't believe in God as a personal savior, but they believe in something we call the spirits. For Taoism, it's a cosmic principle that governs all things. In Shintoism, they have the kami, and in Confucianism, they have the mandate to heaven.
Confucianism and Daoism are practices of religion based on a philosophy, and they are propagandized. It means spread or disseminated throughout the country. While Shintoism is a locally practiced religion in Japan, ethnic religion means it only comes from Japan.
These religions don't pay attention to the concept of going to the afterlife. They say to arrange your life according to the standards given in this world, because in this world you have a role to cultivate your own self.
The next point is that they all have different sacred texts and different names, but they are equally referring to how civilization started, who started civilization, and what is wrong with the part of civilization.
Next is they have appreciation for their ancestors. If you notice, Confucianism, Daoism, and Shintoism, they recognize their relatives who are no longer there through variation. They have shrines for them which they do the prayers and rituals performed by the living to honor the dead. In return, the spirits of the dead offer protection and encouragement for the living.
The three Taoic religions basically share the same view regarding the purpose of existence. Confucianism and Daoism both adopt the importance of self-cultivation for the benefit of all, while Shintoism emphasizes the need to return to the original state of nature by observing purity in everyday life.
By comparing the three religions, we have seen that they share more similarities than differences. One important aspect that needs to be stressed is their belief that the state of nature should be maintained, for it is the only way to promote harmony and order to society. Another important aspect is the emphasis on rituals and ancestor worship, which need to be performed to help achieve self-cultivation at its highest form. On the other hand, Shintoism states the importance of returning to the natural state of purity to become a better person and fandoms one's destiny, thereby promoting order in society. Despite the uniqueness of each of these religions, Confucianism, Daoism, and Shintoism clearly share common threads that make them classified as Taoic religions.